This is a song I just wrote this morning, and it's dedicated to Governor Inslee and the Orca Task Force, and it's called No More BS. They said we couldn't do it, they said it could not be done, to take away the dams we've built and let the rivers run. But they got the Elwha flowing and its ecosystems growing. It's time to free the snake, no more BS. BS to your task forces, BS to your committees, BS to endless meetings and all their nitty-gritties, BS to your corruption and riparian disruption. If you don't free the snake, we call BS. Maybe we should form a task force to decide on your next meal. Is that the only way to show you how the orcas feel? We won't sit idly by and watch our ecosystems die. It's time you did your job, cut the BS. So BS to your task forces and BS to your committees and BS to endless meetings and all their nitty-gritties. BS to your corruption and riparian disruption. If you don't free the snake, we call BS. If you want to be president, then you'd best keep your base, or all your aspirations, they will fly up in your face. We could be your allies to get you to that place, but not unless you stop all the BS. So BS to your task forces and BS to your committees, BS to endless meetings and all their nitty-gritties, BS to your corruption and riparian disruption. If you don't free the snake, we call BS. Do something worthwhile, cut the BS. We've waited far too long, no